So, hello folks, welcome to the last video of the Regex series, and today we are going to dive into some advanced features. So, we will continue using the same platform with the same flavor, ECMAScript, and thus unlock the final secrets of the Regex. So, advanced regex features are like the secret spells of text manipulation. They are powerful tools that can make your patterns smarter and more flexible. So, we will look at look aheads, look behinds, and flags. So, these are all assertions, and we are going to first look at look ahead. So look aheads are like little scouts in your regex pattern. They look ahead in your text to check if something is there without including it in the match. We have two types, like positive one and the negative one. So first let's go with the positive one, and here the syntax is like in the parentheses we need to put a question mark and equal to, and after that which string we want to get included for the look ahead. So let's say I'm going to write for the question, and let me put question over here, a queue outside of this, so it need to look for the queue when it is preceded, the queue is preceded before like UESTION. Okay, so this is how we are going to make a match if only match the queue which are preceded uh, before USDI1. So if I have something else, no, sorry, not like this, but if I remove it and there is no question that USDI1, then it won't match with that particular string. Okay, and you can also see in the match that what it is exactly matching. Now, with the positive look ahead, talked about the negative look ahead. So there is a slight syntax change with the exclamation mark, and we can see that it is not highlighting because we need to we not need to follow this particular string which we have given in the pattern, then only it will match. So if I put something else over here or incomplete string, then it basically highlights and matches q in the string. So that's how the negative look ahead works. So look behind assertions. Look behinds are like look aheads, but look back. Okay, they check what's before your match. Like look aheads, we have positive and negative. Same we have the uh, same we have the for this look behind. So the syntax is going to be different, like something like this: less than and equal to, we need to put up the question mark, and then it is going to look before the string whichever is given. So now before this string, uh, whatever I give here, it need to be followed by that. Okay, so this is how the syntax works. First you need to put like which string you want it to be preceded by, then the actual match you want to make. So same thing goes here, and it shows you the match. And now for the negative one, again it's the same thing. Instead of equal to, you just replace it with the exclamation mark, and instead of this, you just add any character, so which makes it not followed by this particular string, and then it is going to highlight the match over here. Okay, at any place you put any character, then it will match. Just need to be sure that it is not being followed by this particular string in the test string, then it will be highlighted. So this is all about the look ahead and look behind assertions. Now next thing is flags. Even though we already saw one, but let's get into that. Here we have option like global, multiline, insensitive. So let me just remove this string and write something like question. Okay, and I'm going to write it the string like question over here. So these are the literals, but you see if I write it another time, it won't match. Okay, even I go for the next line, it doesn't match. Now what to do here? So in this case, if I just select global, it will go further and just want to stop after the first match, and it will give you the all the present matches or present string based on the given pattern. Okay, so there are basically four matches in the string. But now what if I add any uh, if I add the same string but with a different case, then we can still look for it by adding case insensitive flag. And now the match became 5. Earlier before it, you can see like there are 4 matches and it is not being highlighted. But now when I select the case insensitive, then it becomes part of the match. So there are a couple of other flags you can play around it, but this is all the part of the flags. So now uh, we can say like advanced features make our regex super powerful, and they are great for complex text processing like data validation on or we can say intricate search, right? Complicated search where uh, we require replace operations or something we want to analyze. And remember, with great power comes great responsibility, so use them very wisely. So now experiment with this advanced features on any of the platform or in JavaScript itself. More you play with them, the more intuitive they will become. It's like learning to ride a bike, challenging at first, but thrilling once you get to the hang of it, right? And this is also bringing us to the end of our regex journey. So we have covered most of the things from basics to some pretty advanced level stuff, and I hope these tools empower you to tackle any text manipulation challenge with confidence. Okay, so thank you for joining me on this exciting Regex adventure. Keep practicing, stay curious, and most importantly, you have fun with your coding. So until we meet again, happy regexing and happy coding. Bye bye.